You see, this evidence was available against Tytler right throughout from the very beginning. But unfortunately, at every stage, due to his just political and money power, he has been able to scuttle the process of law. At every stage, that whatever efforts were made, he was able to scuttle it. Ultimately, what happened in 2005 when the Nanavati report was placed before the parliament, that time he was a union minister at that time. First, the Congress government at that time, first they rejected all the recommendation of the Nanavati Commission. Then there was a huge hue and cry. All the opposition parties got together. Even that time this UPA government was with the support of the Communist Party. Even the left parties also opposed the government. Government was cornered and they were forced to accept the recommendation. So that is the time the government decided to register a case against Jagdish Tytler and against Sajjan Kumar. But Tytler again used his influence. In 2007, he procured the clean chit from the CBI. The CBI rushed to the court, giving him the clean chit without even examining the witnesses properly. So we argued before the court and the court rejected that clean chit. Thereafter, 3 times it has happened. 3 times without proper investigation, just due to his influence, the CBI has given him the clean chit. Now now you see, last time when the court rejected the 3rd time, then the court directed that the court will monitor the investigation. So I requested the court that the court should monitor the investigation. So court has been monitoring the investigation. Now the CBI has recorded the statements of all the witnesses. Today the court has said that those witnesses I have seen, and on the basis of the statement of those witnesses, sufficient material is there to proceed the murder trial against Jagdish Tytler. So the court has today ordered to proceed with the murder trial against Jagdish Tytler.
Right. Sir, Phoolka sir, just one more thing. You know, those were the days when there was no mobile movement, no evidence by way of, connecting somebody's movement with the use of mobile phone. The evidence would essentially be based on witness accounts. So, in the charge sheet, is there anything more beyond those witness accounts?
Yes, that is... Actually, that is the most unfortunate part. The investigating agency, the initial stages are very, very important for an investigating agency. You see, even if when a blind murder takes place, there is no eyewitnesses, still the investigating agency in the initial stages collected the evidence, and even the circumstantial evidence also they collect, so which they are able to produce. But here the investigating agency was interested in totally shielding the culprits and wiping out all the evidence. So other than the eyewitness account, there has been no evidence otherwise available right now. Even the eyewitness account also, Tytler has been threatening the witnesses, Tytler has been forcing the witnesses. I mean, this is what it. Now this this lady Lakhvinder Kaur, the wife of Badal Singh, who has been pursuing this case, the Tytler has 3 times she was attacked. Once she was going on, she met with an accident, somebody intentionally hit her. Then there has been so much of pressure on her not to pursue the case any further against him. So and the main witness, what Surinder Singh, there was so much of pressure by Tytler against him also. Yes.
No, understood, sir. But just complete your word. But my last question, just to add, you think Mr. Tytler continues to get a lot of importance in the Congress party? If you have a message for them.
And he is actually, this whole genocide was organized by the party. These people were following the instructions of the party. So that is the reason they were rewarded after that. The Tytler was first time made the minister after 84. In 85, he was made the minister as a reward to him. Similarly, the Kamal Nath was that time only the member of parliament. He was also made the minister after that. So these people were given reward by the Congress party for following the instructions of the party.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. HS Phoolka, and of course, Atma Singh ji for joining us and adding to that perspective on 1984 riots. Justice still eludes the victims, but hopefully, after today's developments in a Delhi court with summons issued to Jagdish Tytler, we have inched closer to getting justice for the victims.